Back to our baby today. Today we're opening Sweet Tia's baby.
Baby alive.
Yeah, and who's a doctor baby.
You can take care of her?
Yeah. Who says, who cries, one who gets sick, and one who's sick, and who says, help me blow my nose.
And that one it says, so much better.
I feel much better.
Can you show me the front of the box?
Yep. It says, blow her nose, temperature, and Turco Hoppy, and fetal. When you fetal, who cries, wee, wee.
Can you show me the front?
Yeah.
The front of the box.
Front of the box? What is?
It says that she does 35 sounds and phrases. So 35 sounds and phrases, so that should be interesting. And when you feed her, she can cry, which is pretty cool. It's not a wedding doll, it's a crying doll. She also has facial expressions, which is what she's looking forward to. She opens and shuts her eyes. Her nose lights up. So let's
get started! Let's get started. Open them. It says, baby life over there. Baby life. And it says, baby life everywhere.
Let me show
you. And her napkin says, baby life. Guys, watch. Watch. When you push it. I love you. Aww. Let's start opening them. I'm just gonna open them. Let's go open them with scissors. Make sure to have an adult with you with scissors. Don't use scissors with your kids. They might get hurt, so use an adult to do it. Adults only use scissors to open toys for them. Right.
So here she is. I love her beautiful braid. It's probably one of our favorite things.
Me too. So that's my heartbeat. That's my heartbeat.
Aria absolutely loves taking care of babies.
Yeah.
Any babies.
Any babies. Like baby lives are sick. I pretend they're alive.
She does. She names them. All that good stuff. And the cool thing about this doll is it also allows you to select for your child whether they're a male or female, or whether they want to be called mommy or daddy. All you do is select whether it be the little boy or the little girl, and then she will call her mommy instead of daddy.
Yeah, but I'm taking care of her.
Okay, so real quick before we get super started, we're going to show you the stuff. So what is this, Ar?
A juice box.
And it has Baby Alive, and it has a little lemon on the back.
There's a baby on the Baby Alive.
And then a little comb, or a little brush.
Yep.
A Band-Aid, a little teal Band-Aid.
And
a thermometer that when you push it in, it's either happy or sad.
And this is
a stethoscope.
Yep, and
so that's
a tissue.
And a tissue.
And it says Baby Life.
And then let me show you the doll real quick before she gets too involved in showing you all of its goodies. So she has this gorgeous braid right here. She has pretty little eyes. And you can tell their eyes open and shut because she has little eyelashes and they do move. So that's going to be interesting to see. And then she has little pink undies or diaper on, and this gorgeous little pink and yellow springtime dress.
Yeah, looks cute.
So while she starts to push on her and see what she does, not sure how you get her to talk.
Well, I'm brushing her hair first. I'm brushing her hair so we can go through that. So thank you. We're happy. So check you. And after you know what you get and did. Look at you. Bum, 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 bum. What is this? What? Oh!
Hi, Mommy.
I saw her move her eyes.
So does the stethoscope make her work? Oh, her button is right here on her chest.
I need some juice.
Oh, she needs some juice.
Let's give her some juice. Some juice.
Juice, please.
Ooh, take your mouth. Take your mouth, sweet.
I love you. Will you listen to my heartbeat?
Yep, I will. It's awesome. Say hi. See how it's doing.
Check up, please.
Oh, let's move the eyes.
Oh, thirsty. I need some juice.
Juice. Oh, look your mouth. Take your mouth from your neck. See?
Oh no, she's stupid.
I don't feel good.
And
Am
real
I
quick,
okay?
her little nose lights up. I don't know if you all saw that. Comment below if you did. Her little nose lights up and lets you know that she needs to blow her nose. Oh, she sneezed.
I
Oh,
need a tissue.
Oh,
get her a tissue.
give her a tissue.
I don't feel good.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
hold her up.
Oh, quiet.
Oh. We're not real sure how much water you need to actually. Oh, she's crying.
Oh, there.
She's crying. It's
Yeah.
coming down her face.
I feel so much better. Best checkup ever.
Oh, you did so good. She said, best checkup ever.
There you go.
Hi.
Pick it up.
Or that way. So all you do is put the juice box in her mouth like this and squeeze. I suggest you keep her upright so it doesn't come right back out of her mouth. Follow her prompts and she will tell you what she
You're the
needs.
best doctor. I love you.
There. Oh no, her nose is, she's
I
stuffy.
don't feel good.
Oh, what's
Will
that?
you take my temperature?
Who's happy? Now it's brush your hair.
Oh, she needs a tissue.
Phew.
Let's give you some juice to get that out. Who's crying? Who's crying? Oh, it's coming out her eyes.
That's because she's crying.
It's coming out. It came on her nose and stuff.
It only comes out of her eye.
Nose.
So thirsty.
Oh, it's
Juice,
pasty.
please.
This piece. Oh, this came out right out. Oh, again.
Will you listen to my heartbeat?
Oh, see.
Tickle.
It's good. Bum, 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 bum. Achoo! It just came out right her mouth.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, say hi, Mama. But talk to me. Talk to me. I need to wash her.
My nose feels stuffy.
Oh, lower nose.
Tissue, please.
Tissue.
Tissue. Oh man, that was a big nose blow.
Good job.
I need a checkup.
You give her a checkup.
Give her a checkup. Check your heart.
Great checkup, Mommy.
Oh, who said great checkup? Great checkup, Mommy.
Phew.
Achoo.
I don't feel good.
Here, let's see if we can sit her up.
Yeah, see.
Oh, yeah, she does.
There.
Okay.
I love you, Mommy.
Oh.
But I'm her mommy. Daddy's not here, so
Hi,
I'm
Mommy.
taking care of her. Brush, brush.
the thermometer is happy or sad.
Who's good? Happy.
And then you can snap the little band-aid on.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure you can probably also put this band-aid on here too.
Oh yeah.
On her leg if she has a boo-boo on her leg.
Who doesn't need one yet? Exactly what the description said. When you feed her bottle, when you feed her juice box, so it actually cries.
Yeah, little tears run down her eyes. It's so sweet. I mean, it's sad, but it's sweet.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, said hi, Mommy.
Do I have a boo-boo?
Yes, you do.
Yes, you do. For your nose. Swipe your nose. Swipe your eyeballs.
I don't feel good.
Oh, I'm giving it.
Oh, she's crying. I don't know if you can see that.
Tissue. Give her a tissue.
But her little tears are coming down her eyes.
There you go, sweetie. Get them wiping on your Give her a
I
nose.
don't feel good.
Oh no, give her a checkup. Check her heart.
Ew.
Pick up. Oh, that was sneezy. Good. Good.
Check up, please.
Okay.
Good temperature. Maybe she just got a little cold.
So thirsty.
Oh,
I need some juice.
One.
Uh-oh.
I don't feel
Oh
good.
no, her nose
Am I
is blowing.
okay?
Yeah, you're okay, sweetie. Maybe she just needs a mommy hug. Oh.
I got a nose. Achoo! You little sneezy.
I don't feel good.
All right, guys. So Aria's gonna go take care of her little crying baby.
Bye, guys. Follow us again. Like and subscribe. Comment below and tell us which part you like. The crying part, the talking to mommy or daddy, or say, I need some help from my nose. I'm going to take care of her. Bye, guys.